lines. We were supposed to have that launch early this year. It was pushed, and now we expect that launch in May. Are you having challenges in registering?
No challenges at all.
Yeah.
I had, when I left office, the people of my region felt that we needed to consult on the way forward, because as a community we felt very bad. The community felt totally misused by President William Ruto. They felt deceived, and we needed to consult extensively. And as their leader, they asked me to do that consultation. And I did a lot of consultation, the whole of November, the whole of December. I had hoped that I would have completed the consultations, but I hadn't by the end of December. Very many people still wanted to come and see me. You have seen even in the whole of January and February, they have been coming. Again, when we started the consultations, I had thought it would be a Mount Kenya affair, but I had not appreciated the interest my leadership had created in the country. And many other Kenyans from all other regions also wanted to consult with me, and therefore we had to extend our negotiations. But be as it may, our political party is ready, and for strategic reasons, I did not want to unveil it before. Because quite a number of our senators and members of parliament want to resign from UDA and join our new party and go for by-elections. So we thought, my people thought that for us to get the right momentum, it's better for us to launch the party when IBC is in place. I want to give that reason now, because I've got quite a number of people who are through with UDA. They don't want anything to do with UDA.
Just from the mountain?
Especially from the mountain, because the whole mountain has moved from UDA. By the way, UDA now is a shell. UDA was Rigathi at the mountain. Without Rigathi at the mountain, there's no UDA. There's no party there. And our members, our supporters. In fact, if you mention UDA, and you have found even the MPs who move around with the president, they don't talk about UDA. Even the president, they don't mention him on the ground. So we decided that we want to wait for the IBC to be constituted. Then we launch our party so that we pick up with the momentum. We'll have several by-elections. We have today, as of today, 139 MCAs who want to resign from UDA and go for by-elections. We have.
So you're going to force a by-election?
We are going to have a little.
Simply what you're saying.
We are going to force a little general election after IBC is constituted, because our people do not want to live a lie. The mountain people, my brother Rogers, are honest people. They are people of integrity, and they don't know how to pretend. When they are through with something, they are through. And when they want to move on, they want to move on. So we have senators, we have members of parliament, we have MCAs who cannot pretend that they are in UDA.
And are they the
and they will repeat what Raila did in 1994. And I admire Raila Odinga, because I remember 1994. He left Ford Kenya and went to NDP, and he resigned and he was re-elected. And since that time, his career has been very rosy. Even I'm encouraging my MCAs, MPs and senators, the ones who make that very brave decision, because that is very courageous. To leave a seat you have been elected, you resign and go back to the people. It's very courageous. But I want to assure them, the way I'm listening to our people, any leader who makes that decision will be elected without a doubt, with very serious majority. Number two, they will be heroes of our people. And their politics will be rosy for decades and decades to come. So that is one of the reasons why we have delayed. But I want to say our party is ready.
Okay.
And I want to correct, I have seen a lot of people trying to say that our party is for the region, for Mount Kenya. It isn't. It's a national party. By the way, I have a lot of people who are interested in joining our party. And the mountain will have a home in that party. But it's a national party for everybody. But that will be the home of the mountain. Just like ODM is a serious party, but it's the home of the Nyanza people. Ford Kenya is a serious national party, but it's also the home of people from Bungoma and Trans Nzoia. You know, Wiper is a national party, but it's also the home of the people of Ukambani.
Okay.
That's the way politics move, because politics are local. And our interim national chairman is from Kajiado County. Our interim national organizing secretary is from Machakos. Our interim deputy party leader is from Kakamega. Our interim assistant national treasurer is from Kuria in Migori. Ours is a serious national party. I'm the party leader.
Okay.
It's a serious national party,
Yeah.
but it's the home of the mountain, and that brings in serious numbers, which is good for the party. Because the mountain, you know, we have 6-7 million voters, so it's good for the party to have a base that is strong as part of the national movement. But we have very serious movement. We have very serious following in Kajiado, in Narok, in Samburu,
Okay.
in Kakamega, in Kisii. We are a serious national party.
But then tell me this, have you thought of the implications on the taxpayer if you instigate a by-election? Isn't that a selfish move?
It's not selfish at all. We just have to be honest. We don't want to pretend to belong where we don't feel comfortable. President William Ruto has hatched a plot to finish us as a people, to destroy our leaders, to destroy our businesses. We cannot pretend. The other day, he chased away our chairman of committees in the Senate and replaced them with ODM people. How do we then pretend? How does the senator of Nyandarua, who was a chairman of a committee, has been removed and replaced somebody from UDM, pretend that he loves UDA?
So to hell with the taxpayers because of these leaders.
There are many other things that money is being spent, and probably it is not a priority.
Okay.
So we are saying we need to fix our politics. There is no way you are going to chase away people who got you elected on UDA party and expect them to remain there to support you. They will not. Those people will move on and they'll go for a by-election and they'll be elected. They'll come back to parliament on another party that respects them. But you cannot mistreat people. You mistreat them. You treat them like rubbish, like toilet paper. They helped you be president. They helped you to form the government. Then you use that very government to punish them, to mistreat them, and then expect them to continue staying in UDA and pretending that they are very happy and that they love you and that they are comfortable.
Okay.
That is deceit.
Okay.
We don't want politics of deceit and commanship.
Interesting. Let's go to Wamunyoro. We might not be in Wamunyoro, but the essence seems to be here. Because needless to say, you've managed to quickly convert your Wamunyoro home into a new center of power.